Please like and subscribe my channel. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhudi. When I shared my Amazon haul video, I showed you my gratitude journal, and when I shared my nighttime routine, I told you how I am using gratitude journal at night. I love writing gratitude journal at night as it focuses on what you are grateful for. Today I am going to share a very simple but effective DIY gratitude journal with you, which you can easily make and maintain. So let's start the video. To make DIY gratitude journal, you need old diaries or copies. So here I have a lot of options. I am going to use this one. Let's make the cover beautiful. For this, I have taken a decorative sheet. First cut the sheet in the shape of the cover and paste. Now I am making a gratitude journal heading for my notebook. Then just cut it according to your desire. Next I am making a gratitude jar wherein you can write all your happy feelings of the day. Write one feeling per day and fill the jar. So my title and gratitude jar is ready. Now let's assemble everything. Here I am pasting the title in the front and my journal is looking awesome already. Next, take out a fresh page and write your favorite gratitude quote. So I am writing two quotes here. First is, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. And second is, acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. You can decorate this page as per your desire, or you can keep it simple also. On the next page, I am pasting my gratitude jar of the month. I'll regularly write a happy feeling here. For example, happy, thankful, strong, courageous, etc. On the next page, I am going to write few questions which I am going to answer regularly in order to remind me how grateful I feel for everything the universe is providing me. So my first question is, what was the best thing that I did today? Next is, I am thankful today for. Here, you have to write 3 things for which you feel thankful for that day. Next is today's affirmation. Here, you have to write positive and strong sentences about yourself, like I am strong, I am doing my best, I am smart and kind, I believe in myself, etc. Next is happiness meter, where you need to fill the number of hearts with red pen according to how happy you feel that day. Next is, you have to write a strong sentence about yourself or your goal with I am. I am a doctor. I am an innovator. I am a smart kid, etc. And lastly, you have to write what one thing will you do to make tomorrow better. This way you will sleep with a positive set of mind and a positive thought about tomorrow. I hope you will like this idea of gratitude journaling. Now let me share some tips about gratitude journaling. Always keep your gratitude journal by your bedside for easy access. Write your journal 15 minutes before you sleep. Write as many things as you like in the journal for which you feel grateful for. Make your statements as simple as possible. I hope you will like the video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos on my channel. Love you all for your support. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान, न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.